This one is either Pink Charm or Pink Pride. This one is Thalia, and I love the absolutely charming and daintiness and pendulous habit of this multi-flowering daffodil. This one is the largest blooming one, and as you can see, it's starting to wither right now, but it's a large blooming daffodil, and I think I'll have to tag it and separate it from a bunch because I want more of this one. This is so wonderful, and unfortunately I caught this one a little too late, and it's on its way out, but so beautiful. This is Tahiti with its tropical feel. So beautiful. I love how this one has this paler yellow and more orangey yellow trumpet. These are the Delnasaw double daffodils. This one is the butterfly flowering daffodil called Cassata. And the Delnasaw and the Cassata daffodils are actually from last year, from last season, and they're back. So lovely. These hyacinths are called Atlantic, and these yellow ones are called Yellowstone. I want to give you guys further updates. These are the Pink Pride daffodils. And there are more other daffodils coming up next week. These daffodils are so beautiful. I have no idea what they are. Definitely mislabeled. And I am certainly on a hunt to find out what these are. Look at them, how beautiful they are. Okay, so however, I am just immensely disappointed in the 70 Niigata tulips that I planted in 3 of these pots. As you can see, they're not the purplish pink that I was expecting. And also, so many bulbs did not come up. And I planted 70 in 3 pots. The third one is right here. And oh my goodness, it's just... I mean, it's unique, and it's unique and beautiful in its own way, but I was expecting a different tulip. But that's a part of gardening, is that we're in for a lot of surprises when it comes to gardening. These tulips are definitely mislabeled. I know for sure I did not order these tulips. They're beautiful, but I did not order them. And look at the aphids already on them. Also, these are the beautiful Temple of Beauty tulips, and they're usually taller. But they're not that tall. They're less than a foot tall actually. And I mean, they're beautiful, but they're supposed to be much taller and larger. And also the Akebono. The Akebono, they're just shorter this year. Shorter and smaller. Not the same as my result from last year. And look at these. These are so small. They're like miniature Akebono tulips. This one is the variety called Baston. I think that's how you say it. It's a French name. And even these are just small. They're just miniature versions of their normal selves. Oh my goodness, this is yeah, so these are my tulips so far. There's still more. These are coming up over here. I think the ones over here will actually be taller. Maybe not, I don't know. But my tulips are shorter and smaller this year. This is this happens, unfortunately. So note to self, I need to put them in the refrigerator much earlier, even mid-September. And then also plant them earlier as well, because that's definitely a mistake, because I didn't have the time to plant them early enough, and I just waited until the end of January. So please, you guys, I know there are videos out there telling you can plant them the end of January or early February or mid-February. Please don't do that, because it became warmer quicker this year, and the tulips, of course, they respond to the climate, to the environment, and they just pop right out as fast as they could, and this is the result. You get these shorter, smaller tulips. Nonetheless, they're beautiful, and these are, I think, happy generation. I'm so excited about these. I love the variegation in the foliage.